Hey guys, Jeff from Northwest RV Tours. Today we've got a cool floor plan from Winnebago. It's the Minnie 2326BH. This is great for a family. Let's jump into it and take a look. Okay, as you can see, this is a fiberglass sided trailer. It's a really nice size. Smaller for a family of 4. You could even sleep 6. As you can see, electric power front hitch, room for 2 20-pound propane tanks, and dual batteries up front. Nice pass-through storage. This trailer does have slam latch baggage doors. As you can see in the middle, there's also a furnace vent. This is a heated pass-through bay. Nice large awning that covers both entrance doors. And in the front, the main entrance, it has the fold-out staircase. Tankless hot water heater, water fill, and there's your spray port connection to spray off boots or dogs or whatever you may need to spray off. Goodyear Endurance tires with aluminum wheels. You can see this rear trailer does sit up pretty high. This would be good for getting into tight spaces, as well as maybe some rougher roads. It does have a rear roof ladder, as well as it's set up for a rear backup camera and a full-size spare. Outside shower connection. So this is an exterior large storage capacity that's below that interior bunk bed. You can see this is large. You'd be able to fit a pop-up awning, chairs, barbecue. Makes it really easy access. Lots of outside storage on this trailer. Satellite hookups as well as cable TV. Electric power jacks. And your dump station, black and gray tank. All the valves are above under the heated belly. One thing I would add would be a slide topper awning. I say that on all the trailers though. And your front pass through on the driver's side of the rig. Does have tire link, tire pressure monitoring system, as well as solar charge controller. There's those slam latch doors I was talking about. Okay, let's jump inside. Once again, that aluminum staircase that folds up and in makes it really easy to get in and out. Nice crab handle. Right when you walk in, you can see that you're in the master bedroom. This is a smaller trailer, so you're not going to be separated from the kids, but it's got great storage and it's a great floor plan. Nice big storage cubby on both sides, and you're going to see when I lift up the bed even more underbed storage. Storage underneath the cabinet peninsula. USB and 110 volt on both sides of the bed for those CPAP users, or if you need to charge a cell phone. One nice large pull-out drawer, full extension drawer glides, and a nice big hanging storage cabinet. Nice shelf up above to put baskets. And you get that hanging storage on both sides of the bed, as well as the pull-out storage drawers. Excuse me. There's a better look at the USB ports as well as the inverter-ready plugs. When you lift up the bed, you can see that middle section is open. I could see that being like a dog kennel or something like that. It's open. It's a great location for a dog kennel underneath the bed. It'd have to be a pretty small one to be able to fit underneath the bed, but I think it's a great design. Large peninsula with the TV up above. Pull down sprayer faucet. And a large stainless steel single basin sink. That is a phone charger in that upper corner. Under cabinet storage, maybe for a small trash can. 3 full extension drawer glides. Drawers. And 2 large pots and pan drawer storage. This unit does not have an oven, so you get a lot of storage instead. excuse me, there's only one drawer. I apologize. As you can see, that's the fuse panel. Nice 3-burner cooktop. Remember that front burner is going to be doing the majority of your cooking duties. It's your hottest burner for boiling water and most of your cooking. Convection microwave up above, stainless steel. So that'll be doing your oven cooking and things like that. Nice 12-volt compressor style fridge. Once again in stainless steel. And looking towards your bunk beds. There's your furnace and air conditioner controls. Nice built-in ladder to get up to that second bunk. A lot of trailers don't think about that. This one's nice because it gives you a nice ladder. And more storage below that bed. I could see that being a great spot to put kids' duffel bags with all their clothing or other items. Nice porcelain toilet with foot flush. Large shower with a skylight, as well as the self-squeegeeing shower door. Nice bathroom vanity with a large gooseneck faucet. Separate entrance into the bathroom as well, that second door. You can see a nice medicine cabinet. And 2 nice shelves below the bathroom sink. Cleaning products, toilet paper, things like that. Here's a look at that shower I was talking about. And the self-squeegeeing shower door that's retractable. Moving out and looking at the dinette, you do have storage below both benches. This is a nice U-shaped dinette. You can also get this with a pull-out couch or movie theater recliners if it's just 2 of you that want to sit down. I like the U-shaped dinette in this floor plan. Nice overhead storage. Once again, USB chargers as well as a 110-volt plug. That bed does fold down. That top, those legs come off and it makes into a bed. Pretty deep storage going underneath each bench. And as you can see, this is a really well laid out trailer. For its compact size, you get really a lot of usability. Nice seating for a family, bunks, as well as a master bedroom area. Plenty of kitchen counter prep space. This is really a great floor plan, I think, for families. Especially if you plan on going off the grid a little bit. It's factory solar, 12-volt fridge. You don't need to burn a bunch of propane to keep that fridge cold. As well as, it's just set up for a nice family. Especially the height of it. It's going to get you down those bumpier roads. Alright guys, like and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one.